When people think of drones, they think of this. But FPV drones, they can do this. FPV stands for first person view. Instead of watching your drone from the ground, you wear a headset and you're inside it. You see what it sees. Every dive, every turn, every gap, in real time. Put the goggles on and you're not standing on the field anymore. You're in the air. You'll crash, you'll laugh, you'll want to go again. That's why the people it attracts are so different. It's sports, tech, and creativity all at once. The easiest way to get started is a controller and simulator. No risk, just build the muscle memory. When you're ready, MantisFPV will get you started. Pilots, we'll see you in the air.